What's up, YouTube? I did a thing. I bought another truck. I think it's number 35, 34. I gotta go check I gotta write it down. Anyways, 94 F350, 7.3, 5-speed. Sorry, only 2-wheel drive, but it's okay for what I need it for. Maybe you've seen some of the videos of my OBS F150, 94 F150, 351. I've been using it for my side hustle, handyman stuff. I put together IKEA furniture for people and other random projects like artificial turf and whatever comes along. And I ran out of tool space in the F150 with the toolboxes that are in it. So came across this F350, 7.3, 5-speed. I thought for a good deal. $4,000. It's got 200, high 200s for miles. But when I went to look at it, I just hit the key and half a crank, it fired right up. You know, like a good 7.3 does. So I got it outside. I'll take you outside to take a quick look at it and a little drive along. So now you know what I got. Yep. So there she blows. F350 utility body. A little beat up, rusty in the back, but nothing I can't clean up. Don't mind that new fuel cap. One was leaking. Let's see, give you the old school feel. Before, back in my day, we didn't have key fobs. Wow, baby! Tan interior. 5-speed, delicious. Let's see how she runs. I might not even wait to start. Crazy like that. Factory radio, look at that shit. Love it. That's her. Gotta figure out why the first like 20 seconds that check engine light stays on. I think it has to do with the alternator kicking in, because it'll go off once it goes on. But other than that, I mean, shoot. Can't be mad. Runs, drives, no noise, no crazy sounds. Let's see. Give her a little gas. Yeah, see that? As soon as I throttle up. So, we'll look into it. But, next oil change. This is it. The other obs. Let's do a second gear start. So yeah, 5-speed, tilt steering. This is it. Ugh. Still rides like an old F350 on leaf springs, which I love. Third, second. The only little thing I'm noticing now, I might need to bleed the clutch. Sometimes shifting into second, it grinds. I got to be all the way to the floor and give it like a little lag time. So either the synchro's gone, probably the clutch. I shouldn't be that far to the floor to have to shift gears. So I might have to just bleed that. Trying to figure out what to do for mods though. If you got any advice, if you have an old OBS 7.3, what have you done to yours? I'm thinking like a high pressure oil crossover. I need to see, do you know if there's a fuel crossover kit? I did that on my O2. I absolutely love that. Definitely want to do a downpipe. And I think with these older ones, just the turbo lag's so bad, might do either compressor side wheel or on the other side, the exhaust side wheel, so it spools a little earlier. Not sure yet. Don't have too much experience modifying a lot of these. I think when these were younger or newer, the aftermarket market really wasn't there. There wasn't too much going on. You had MBRP like got into the game, but it was just for turbo backs. That was it. There wasn't much to change. Now there's so much stuff for these, so I haven't really done a lot of deep dive on the OBS stuff. So there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Cringe, le cringe. But yeah, please leave some comments. I want to know what you've done on your OBS 7.3. For me, the big four I want, probably exhaust wheel, downpipe, oil crossover kit, and fuel crossover kit. If you got experience with that, please comment. Yeah, no, I'm in love with the truck. I bought it to move up into from the 150 with some saddle toolboxes. This has got the utility body on it. You can see these blind spot boxes that are on this. So I gotta outfit this. I want to find like an old generator or welder setup. So we'll see. I feel like doing all this handyman stuff, but I'm just prepping myself to be an on-site mechanic like I always dreamed. So it's cool. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you. And let me see those comments. Slide into my DMs. Find me on Instagram too. Brian Belt 360 is the handle there as well. Talk to you later.